Hello everyone, welcome back. Unfortunately I've got a little bit of a cold just in time for Christmas 2019, but never mind, I'll try not to infect you guys. GearBest recently sent me this Alfawise RHC5000 multifunctional groomer to take a look at. So what I've done over the last few days, I've grown myself a few whiskers so that we can see how well this thing works. Okay, let's get it out of the packaging. Here we go, there's the box. Chuck that over there. You get some a user manual, which is in English as well, guys, which is quite handy, especially if you live in England. We get the multifunctional groomer itself here. Put that aside. You also get a USB charger for it, so you can charge it from any USB charger, like your phone charger, whatever. It just simply fits into the end here, like so, and then you plug it into your charger, and this little light will light up to show you that it's charging. We also get a few other bits and pieces here. There's a head protector, just slide that in place, and you get 3 different groomers attached to the head, so you can cut your your beard or whatever to the length you want. These things are actually called stubble combs. They come in 1mm, 3mm or 5mm lengths. These little attachments just rock and lock into place. Put it in at an angle like so, and then you just lock it in, hopefully. He said trying to do it through the viewfinder. Okay, so here it is laid out. You have the light here, which shows you when it's charging, the power switch here, the shaving head, which is flexible as you can see. There's a little bit of knurling here for your grip. Same on the back end of things, there's a little bit of knurling going on too. Apparently you can use this dry or with gel or foam. So hit the button. It does tend to vibrate quite a bit actually, guys. You can certainly feel it, and you can hear it's quite noisy too. Anyway, let's get to my stubble and see if we can shave it off, shall we, guys? I'm going to say that this thing is more designed for trimming goatees and beards and what have you. Here's the 3mm. It's just doing a little bit of a trimming job on my goatee, as you can probably hear there and see. Doing a little bit of a job on it. But it hasn't really done a very good, if you like stubble, it's fine for stubble, but you're never going to get a smooth shave with this little fellow, guys. So it's like, sort of trendy, stubbly style finish. It's ideal for trimming goatees and probably sideburns and what have you. But for a smooth shave, you're not going to get a smooth shave with this at all. Hopefully you can probably see here there's some of my old grey whiskers on here, where it's actually clipped them off. But as I say, it's really designed for that trendy, stubbly look. You can get the head off this thing, because it does recommend in the instructions you replace the head every 6 months. You simply push it and pull it. It's a bit difficult to get off, guys, but it will come off. There we go. It does come off, although I have found this head to be a little bit flimsy, and it does, if you're not careful, it can fall apart. So I will just pop that one in there, and there we go. So there we go then, the Alfawise RHC5000 that was very kindly sent to me by GearBest. So I think it's more of a beard, goatee, sideburns trimmer that can also keep your stubble at a short length. It's still a bit, you can probably hear that, guys. Still a bit stubbly there. Not a clean shave. If you're looking for a clean shave, this is not for you. Alright guys, as I say, GearBest supplied this to me. Thank you very much to GearBest for sending it in. Hope you enjoyed the review. As I say, it is rechargeable from any, like your phone charger or what have you. You can replace the heads. I'll have to have a look on GearBest, see where you can get the heads from. It comes with these 3 stubble trimmers, stubble combs, and you also get the charging lead too. The Alfawise RHC5000 beard trimmer, stubble trimmer, whatever you like to call it. You're not going to get a smooth shave from it, so don't look for this for a smooth shave, guys. Leaves you with some nice stubble though. I've got some nice stubble going on here now. A little less than when I started out. Alright then, I hope you enjoyed the review, guys. Please leave me some comments and suggestions down below. Thank you very much. Always interesting to hear from you guys. I do hope you'll pop back to the channel at some time in the near future, because I try to have some interesting kit for you guys to look at. So keep an eye on the channel and see what I've got next for you. Alright guys, I'll catch you laters!